Each season has its own magic, but spring is one that can be so compelling and breathtaking as we get to watch life and color spring forth from the dark and gray of winter. Flowers of all shapes and sizes and colors begin to decorate the landscape, as well as lush green beginning its task to envelop almost every corner of the land. The beautiful sun with its golden warmth begins to visit more and longer with each passing day, casting dancing shadows for us to enjoy. In this video, I wanted to share 10 simple and free ideas to really embrace the spring season and enjoy its beauty to the fullest. Number 1, wake up early, watch the sunrise, and enjoy nature's symphony by listening to the dawn chorus. The dawn chorus essentially occurs when birds sing at the start of a new day, which during the spring season is exceptionally loud and absolutely glorious. Last year was the first time I really noticed it, and it is a sound I crave for throughout the entire year now. What you hear now is some I recorded last spring. Isn't it beautiful? Number 2, enjoy long walks if you can, and if not long, any length works. Just get outside and immerse yourself in the fresh spring air, bird song, and you may even get the lucky chance to catch the lovely scent of wildflowers in the breeze. Number 3, go on a picnic in the park or even your backyard. Grab a blanket, some snacks, a book, or whatever you like, and just enjoy the sights and sounds of spring. You can even lay down on your back and watch the clouds dance upon the sky. Let your inner child enjoy and imagine the different shapes and characters they might make. Number 4, spring is a wonderful time for bird watching. You can go to a local park, nature reserve, or even your backyard or porch, and begin to let your eyes find all the different kinds of birds that might be around. You could even take a notebook and journal the different species you found. Listen to the various songs and calls they make, and maybe on your next walk you can identify one or two. Spring is also the perfect time to observe nesting season. What a joy and humbling experience it is to watch a bird build its nest, lay its eggs, and bring forth new life. Number 5. On that same note, while you are on a walk, you can go hunting for different types of flowers. See how many different types there are in maybe just your neighborhood alone. Spring flowers are surely abundant and will no doubt bring a smile and feeling of joy in your heart. Take time to observe each one. Maybe take a photo. Notice the different colors, shapes, sizes, and smells each variety have. Number 6, another fun spring activity would be to have a tea party with a friend or even just yourself. Whether at home or in the beautiful outdoors, dress up and enjoy a lovely cup of tea. Imagine yourself in a Jane Austen novel in one of her garden parties. Play some instrumental music and just fully enjoy the moment. Number 7. Some other simple outdoor activities might be to read outside. Grab your book and head to a lovely quiet spot out in the sunshine and birdsong. Or maybe you want to take some sketching supplies and enjoy a little plein air sketching. You could sketch something you observe around you, or maybe even the flowers you noted on your walk earlier. Number 8, become your own florist for an afternoon. Now, this idea can cost a little bit of money, but there are some grocery stores that really have incredible prices for bunches of flowers, like Trader Joe's if you happen to have one near you. Or if you have your own garden, even better. Buying a couple bunches of different flowers and arranging them in a few vases at home is such a therapeutic and enjoyable task, not to mention the joy of having fresh flowers in your home. You'll never want to go back. Number 9, another very simple idea is to wear something pretty that you feel comfortable and confident in. For me, that is definitely dresses. Whether I am just at home working or going out and about, putting on a beautiful dress I love always elevates my day and brings a little more joy to the daily tasks I might be partaking in. Finally, number 10, browse the local garden center and maybe plant something. Again, this idea does cost a little bit of money, but some annuals such as pansies, cosmos, marigolds, snapdragons can be only $2 to $5. You could just pick one to plant in a pot and bring a little color to your home or your porch outside. The act of planting something again is very therapeutic, and you just feel closer to nature when you have your hands in the dirt and the sweet smell of blooms and earth are right in front of you. Well, I hope you enjoyed these 10 ideas to fully embrace the spring season and thoroughly enjoy its magic. I hope it has inspired you in some way and that you feel the pull to go outside and be drawn a little closer to nature. It has so much to offer us. As Anne Shirley has said, that is one good thing about this world. There are always sure to be more springs.